Looting. Oh, yeah. It's like Blair Witch.
We will do that.
Yeah. Oh, they switched. Okay.
Where
I
are you
can't make.
working?
I open tomorrow for monthly paperwork.
She opens tomorrow.
Are you gonna have electricity?
At the rate it's going, it doesn't. Is there anything in the refrigerator?
Mom.
Let's see. Oh, the freezer probably melted.
That's
Oh
disgusting.
God,
What
it
is that?
smells really
That's
bad
why
in
I had
here.
Diet Coke like that.
Oh, it smells so bad.
What is hot?
Allie, what are we doing here?
Washing my hair. Yeah. That means warm.
I like the first thing better.
So we're bathing. We're bathing at the salon.
Is my hood okay?
Hold on, it might take a minute. The stuff by this side's cold. Try the bathroom faucet. He said he had hot water.
Lies.
Liar.
Is this the bathroom?
Yeah. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary.
You
Asshole.
You gotta open up. Your hood might get it.
You might get it. What? I'm hungry.
Mom's gonna
Do you want some
barbecue.
Is this color? This color on this.
What'd you say?
Mom's gonna barbecue.
Do you want some rotten stuff from the fridge?
No.
You want a quarter can of Diet Coke?
Hold on 1 second.